Hello, here's a super quick tip for you today. If you've ever had a balance lead get chopped up by your props, or you're fed up with fiddling around trying to tuck them into your battery strap, then this one is for you. Just take an old bike inner tube and cut off a short length. Slip it onto your LiPo and tuck in the balance lead. It's as simple as that. No more flappy leads. They also make a handy marker to show you which patch you've flown. Just untuck the lead when you've used it. Hey presto! Some of my older packs have really long balance leads, so this is very handy for me. Well, there you go. I told you it's a quick one. Thanks for watching. How do you keep your lead safe? Tell me in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you like this kind of thing. Take care, stay safe, but I'll see you next time.